Alright, welcome back to Renaissance Workshop. In today's video, we're going to be working on the Jeep again. And I've already done some work on the Jeep, as you can see. This was off camera, I was just painting pretty boring stuff. But in today's video, we will be painting the hood for the Jeep, and we will be installing a new exhaust system. And so I got some hardware for the exhaust system, and we're going to be replacing that because the exhaust system that I put in was just a flexible exhaust system for now, just to kind of get this thing running, and I'm wanting to redo that and make it nice. So we've got some stainless steel exhaust, and we'll be doing that today as well. So enjoy. Well, that's the exhaust system that I had before, and that's the exhaust system that is going to be replaced with. This is just horrible. Yeah. It's good to be replacing this for sure. Okay, I'm not sure how much you'll be able to see, but basically I'm wanting the exhaust pipe to come down the side of the engine as close to the engine as possible, but then I want it to come over this way and kind of go along the side of the transmission back that way. So that's why I cut it right here, and I'll re-weld it at a slightly different angle. Alright, so I have this coming down as close to the engine as possible, and I cut it right here so that I can kind of redirect it off to that side a little bit, because I want it to go close to the transmission as it goes back all the way. So I'll just refigure this out. I might also cut it at a slightly different angle. That way it'll come up closer to the top. So there we go. Alright, so I got a little bit ahead of myself and didn't film making from here back, but basically just comes out of the turbo, comes down in front of the starter motor, which is right here, then jogs back over to where the rest of the exhaust pipe is. And I put on these little flanges right here and here, and that's how they will connect using a band clamp. So I got these tacked on. I'm going to tack them on a little bit more and then fit it all back up again, make sure everything lines up and fits together well, and then I'm going to take it all off and I'm going to finish welding all of these joints. So I'll get into it. Alright, now that it's been all tacked together and I put it back in, made sure that it would still line up, and it does in the vehicle. So now I just need to weld all of this fully and then put it in for final assembly. Okay, so now that we have it all welded up, I'm going to take some exhaust wrap and wrap just this section because it routes down close to some wires and stuff. So, and it's like the starter motor is like right here. So I want to wrap this with some exhaust wrap just to protect those components a little bit, and then we can get it installed back on the Jeep. Exhaust wrapped up and ready to go in. So let's put it in. To start working on the hood. I'm gonna start with the underside. I'm gonna rough everything up and then apply a coat of primer and then the black engine enamel after that. But to do that, I got a new tool recently, and this is surface finisher, so we'll see how this works, and we've got several different grits of sanding wheels, so we'll see how this works, and yeah, we'll get started. Well, it's finally that time of year again in Florida where it gets a little bit colder, and so I'm able to wear one of my more favorite articles of clothing. So, but I finally got the hood all done, all the cowl pieces all finished, so you put those back on, put the hood back on, and that'll be it for this video. So, let's get it done. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.